So we're going to celebrate Welsh wine by trying some Welsh wine, but what better to go with Welsh wine than Welsh seafood? And I've got a great big lobster, but what I'm suggesting we're going to try a sparkling wine is some mussels and oysters. Classic combination, champagne and oysters. Don't go for champagne and oysters, go for Gwyn Pefriog, sparkling wine or Wales. That's what we're doing brilliantly at the moment in Wales. This comes from Conwy, a beautiful sparkling wine. It's the same method as champagne. Mine fresh, it's acidic, it's lemon, it's citrus, it's green apples, it's got a beautiful mousse, and it's gonna go with oysters. Whether you like them or not, it's a classic combination. Or mussels. Very simply cooked. We're going to cook up some mussels with a bit of white wine, a little bit of leeks, some parsley. So simple. And drink some sparkling wine from Wales with it. You couldn't get closer. Port to plate. This vineyard faces the Menai Straits. So close. Talk about food miles, virtually nil. Enjoy some Welsh wine and some seafood from Wales.